Day in a life as an Olympian featuring Carlos Yula. He actually already finished his training kaninang morning.
Yep.
So, can you tell me how that went, please?
So, kaninang umaga, ang preparation lang siya for tomorrow. More on stretching. Gisingin lang yung mga muscles. And nag-focus lang ako sa stick landing training today.
So, we have now arrived here sa gym where Carlos Yula trains. You have to take us around and do a gym tour.
Unahin ko na yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. Siyempre, ang floor. Tada! Here's the pommel horse. Next na natin is yung P-bars. Next, sa rings. Next is high bars. Ayan na siya, high bar. The last, the vault. Yes.
Nagta-training camp din talaga ako dito sa Mets. Hindi ko na kailangan magpatulong kay Mahal. Nagawa ko yung front tuck by myself.
Wow.
Yeah. Anyways, no, you did. You spotted me.
Come on, baby. So cute. Pakita mo ako. You know? Woo! Sana po supportahan niyo po ako sa July 27 at iba pang mga atletang Pilipino na lalaro sa 2024 Paris Olympics.